Figure 2 represents a sketch of a resistor. Explain the functions of the bands on the resistor labeled 1 and 2. So this is a 4-band resistor. As you can see, this is the first band, second band, fourth, that is third band, and fourth band. So what you should know from here is that when you are given, let me start from the 3-band resistor. For 3-band resistor, you start what you do, you for example, let's say this is the resistor and it has 1 band, 2, the second band and the third band. What you should know, in any resistor there should be a band representing a multiplier and there should be a band representing the tolerance. And in this case, you first identify these two bands, and these two bands are identified as follows. The last band, that is the band in the far right, the band in the far right is the one that represents the tolerance, and the band following it towards the left is the one representing the multiplier. So given any number of bands, you identify the last band from the right to be the tolerance band, the second from there to be the multiplier, and all the others will represent the significant digits. So in this band, this is a 4 band, the last one from the far right will be for multiply the tolerance, and the one following that will be for multiplier, and the others will represent digits. So this one will represent a digit and this one will represent a digit. So if you are given a 5-band resistor, it means we shall have 3 significant, the resistance is of 3 significant digits. The resistance is of 3 significant digits because 2 of the bands, one will represent tolerance and the other one will represent the multiplier. You can check more on color coding for resistors and look at how we determine, given the colors, how we determine the resistance value, or when given the value, how you determine the color coding. So for this, we have, this is a 4-band resistor whereby from left, the first band is a digit, second is digit, the third one is a resistance multiplier, and the fourth one is the resistance, the resistor tolerance. Therefore, 1 represents resistance multiplier and the Roman 2 will represent resistance tolerance. So that is how you identify those bands.